Hello everyone, welcome back to CCNA Learner YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to configure and create user local admin on the Palo Alto network, Palo Alto firewall. Okay, the first you go to device and administrator name. So right here I use John and a password. Okay, confirm the password again. So the right here I will leave everything default, and administrator type I use for super user, and the password profile leave default. Okay, after that you need to click OK. Okay, here is the user that we have created. The name is John and role is the super user. Okay, right now we log out the current login user and then we log in back with John user that we just create, right? Okay, John and password John, and then we click login. Okay, this is the dashboard for user John. Okay, you can see the login in admin is John and with the IP address from the IP address, right? Okay, this video is finished and I think the video is helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel too for next update video. Thank you for watching.